Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem that can arise when building documentation for an app. You see, sometimes, despite our best efforts, the parameters in our code may not be displayed as expected. This can be frustrating, especially when trying to provide clear information for users. Now, onto the solution. The issue here lies in a tiny detail in the code. The space between the word parameters and the colon is causing the parameters to be displayed incorrectly. By simply removing that space, you can ensure that the parameters are shown correctly in your documentation. It's a small change, but makes a big difference in the presentation of your code. In summary, when working on documenting your app, pay close attention to the formatting to ensure that all information is displayed accurately. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!